Welcome back to the channel. As you guys just saw, my windshield wipers need to be replaced after about 3 years. Actually this month is 3 years I've had this truck, so these lasted every bit of it. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy off. So all you need is like a pry tool like this, and just pry up on the front of this little tab here. It's pretty easy, and then this just slides out. I don't recommend using like a flathead screwdriver because you don't want to scratch this up, obviously, but you can do that. Just put maybe some tape over it or something, but it just comes off just like that. And as you can see, it's missing that little rubber piece in the center there. This is 21 inches, and the one on this side is the same size, so you don't have to buy different sizes, which is nice. So there's a tab right here that you push up on, and then it should slide, but again, it's hard to do with the camera in your hand. Let's see if I can do it though. Let's see. There it is. And that's it. Keep in mind, on the other side, the tab was broken because the windshield wiper just slid off, so you may have to keep that in mind when you are taking these off, to make sure you push down the tab. So here are both the windshield wipers, and you can clearly tell this one has that flap on it still, and this one does not. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them. These are the ones that came on the truck. I decided to go with a Bosch setup because they're pretty good at windshield wipers. I've had them in the past, and these were like $60 shipped, if not a little bit more money, I think. So I wasn't paying $60 for windshield wipers. I'm just not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I bought, and then we'll go ahead and get those installed. So I got these off of Amazon, and they came in this box, really nicely done. And these are gonna be the Bosch icons. So there's a 22A, and there's also a 22B. Now you might be wondering, what's the difference? Well, on the back of the box, it will tell you. It shows driver's side is 22A, and passenger side is 22B. So that's pretty much it. So let me just go ahead and pull one out. Now what I normally recommend doing is you pull up on this side, and I don't want to mess these up, so you can pull up on this side here and then slide it out. That way it doesn't have to slide on the box, the rubber side of it, and you don't damage it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I'm gonna show you guys a comparison with the old one. As far as it goes when it comes out to install, it's gonna be a little different. Here's a good side-by-side comparison. The Bosch does look a little bit shorter, but it's only because of the edges of it. Like, you can kind of tell the wiper comes up further, and this plastic piece just is a little bit longer, but for the most part they are the same size. So all in all you have to do with the Bosch is pull up on it on the front. There's like, you just have to squeeze and then pull, squeeze both sides like that, and then pull up, and then you just slide the rail into the end here, and I'll show you guys how to do it. I just wanted to give you an example. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Alright, so take a really good note of this. Alright, so you're going to slide the wiper arm in like this. See that? It's going that way, and then it's going to pretty much grab a hold of it like that. See that? And then you just clip this down, and that is pretty much it. So this is the passenger side. So all you have to do again is just squeeze on both sides like this. This pops up, and then we're going to slide it in this way. So let's go ahead and do it now. Alright, so you see it right there. So we're going to slide it in this way. Actually, I have to hop up there. This thing is way too tall. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so remember, here's the arm, and here is the wiper. So you're going to just put it right through like this, and then it's going to grab a hold of it like this. And that's all you have to do. So simple. And it definitely do look a little shorter than my OEMs, but like I said, the rubber part's the same size. And that is pretty much it, guys. That was super easy, wasn't it? Super easy. See you guys in the next video.